Hey there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this BingDrill review. For those of you out there who are struggling with your ads, you're putting out ads, but you're not really sure whether you have the right copy or the right hashtags or the right imagery, this is going to really help you out. BingDrill is what I like to call a copycat software. So it's not exactly that it's copying anything else, but the function that it performs is that it's going to enable you to really pull, or as it says, drill into what other competition or other people are doing with their marketing campaigns, and it's going to help you to pull what they're doing. It's going to help you pull their copy, their titles, their imagery, even their hashtags, so then you're able to take advantage of all the testing that they've done, so that when you put out ads, you already know that these ads are proven to convert. Today we're going to take a deep dive into BringDrill so you can see exactly what that looks like, see exactly how it's going to benefit you, and as well as that we're going to go over some really cool bonus products that I've handpicked that I feel are going to go super well with BingDrill, help you get the most out of it so you really hit the ground running with a big package. Before we get into that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want more updates, more videos like this, hit subscribe, turn on that little bell notification. Also, if you want to jump ahead at any point during this video and check everything out on your own, the bonuses I just mentioned, or look at BingDrill yourself, simply click the link in the description. You have my legal details at the top here and my contact details. This will be this page that you come through to, and the reason you should come through to this page first is because my page here is integrated with the official BingDrill sales page. So if you go via my link, via my bonus page, click on any of these green buttons, what that will do essentially is lock in all the bonuses for you, so that when you do go off to the BingDrill sales page and purchase, you get BingDrill and all of my bonuses sent to you in one big package that you can access immediately. First bonus that's going to be thrown in there is called 7-Figure Mastery, and this is going to help you really give you a good basis of setting up a business online that makes you money, makes you passive income. It's going to go well with BingDrill, because with BingDrill you're essentially sending people off to a page, a landing page, or an offer. So 7-Figure Mastery teaches you how to run ads as well, gives you a bit of background knowledge on that. It teaches you how to optimize for on and on page SEO, how to write content, how to write copy, how to drive traffic from places like Reddit, forums, social media. It's a 32-page course, and it just goes into everything, and it's helped me out. I think it'll really help you out. The second bonus I've gotten for you is a 2-part bonus, and this is going to help you if you're using BingDrill and you're wanting to drive that traffic that you're using with those ads to a landing page. There's a landing page builder here, so if you're not so savvy with creating landing pages, setting it up, layouts and things like that, really cool biz landing page builder. With that, I've gotten you the Sales Booster plugin, and that's gonna just optimize your landing page with things like really good looking buy buttons, as well as using countdown timers, which will increase scarcity. So you're driving traffic there that's seeing a really cool landing page, and there's also a little bit of psychological work going on there that is going to compel people to buy. The third bonus I've gotten for you is the social media income, except usually these are sold individually, but as you can see, I've packaged them all into one bundle. So a 5-part bonus, you're getting the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest versions. These are the big 5 social media platforms. These are where you should be looking in order to drive traffic. So this product, or these products, are going to help you to be savvy on each of these platforms, understand the nuances of each, so you can use each, speak the language of each without running into any problems, and you're going to be able to easily send traffic from each of these platforms as well. So you're going to have your BingDrill traffic from your ads, and then you're really going to understand how to drive organic free traffic as well. The fourth bonus I've got for you adds on to that. This is a product that came out last week called Facebook Groups Unleashed. Facebook groups are something I utilize a lot. You can get a lot of really targeted traffic, people who are looking for help, they're posting in groups, and just a great source. This teaches you mistakes to avoid when joining groups, but mostly how to utilize groups to also get organic traffic to your offers, to your pages, to your affiliate links or whatever. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is really going to go well with BingDrill, especially helping. So if you're pulling other people's ad copy and using it as well, Million Dollar Copy is going to do, number one, it's going to help you understand why that copy works, and maybe it'll help you to make really good adjustments to it and make it even better. What it's also going to do is when you're creating landing pages or video sales videos or any kind of copy, any kind of email where you're using text, using language in order to try and compel people, Million Dollar Copy is going to help you to speak in a way that creates an emotional trigger, hits on pain points, hits on emotional cognitive biases, all that stuff that actually is what you need to understand if you want people to buy. Okay, so all those bonuses thrown in. If that sounds good to you, it's step one. Click the link in the description. You go to my bonus page, click on these green buttons. That launches you off to the BingDrill sales page, which looks like this, which I would recommend going through in your own time so we're not here all day. Take a look at the features, testimonials, and everything else that's on there. It's quite a lot of info there. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. This is a product based on Warrior Plus. Or you can access it at warriorplus.com under your purchases. And as I said, everything will be able to access together. Under the green button will be BingDrill and your credentials, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses. So easy peasy. Any problems, my email's right here. Just quickly before we get into the demo, I should mention that this is a launch week offer, so keep your eye on this countdown timer. Might go up, might go down, depending on what the vendor's doing. But when it does hit 0, those bonuses will no longer be available. Neither will any discount pricing that you're getting exclusively through my link. So keep your eye on it. I wouldn't want you to miss out. Right now though, let's get through to the demo from the creators of BingDrill so you can see exactly what to expect. Let's check it out.
Hello everyone, Andrews here, and welcome to this quick demo for BingDrill software. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create campaign in BingDrill. First thing is, please, if you have an ad blocker, make sure that you pause it on this website so the software can work without any errors. So first thing is, let's go to create campaign. And let's create new campaign and name it keto after the ketogenic diet. It's popular niche, very popular niche right now, and a lot of products to promote and a lot of money to be made. Okay, so first let's find some ads that is profitably running in this niche. Okay, so our campaign named keto, so let's try keto diet. Okay, and hit search. And right now the software is going out and find all of the ads that's been running for a while, which means they are profitably running, because no one would waste his money on ads that's not making money. Okay, and the software returns 6 ads that's running right now. Okay, all of these people are paying money to run these ads. Okay, so you can click here and open any one of them. Okay, let's take a look at couple of them so you get an idea of the exact landing page they are using. Okay, this one is a supplement. Okay, so you see everything, their headline, their description, the descriptions they use, the exact landing page they use to as a product they're promoting, everything. Okay, so let's say we like the first 3 ads, so we click save. So we save this to our database, to our ad library, excuse me. Okay, and we can go back to this later. Now let's try another keyword. For example, let's try ketogenic keto supplement and hit search, and let's see if we got another ad. So we get another one right here. Let's hit save. Now we saved 4 ads that we can start running in our campaigns and see if we get results. Okay, so if you go to the ad library and select the campaign we just created, okay, and you can use the ad for all of the keywords that you search for, or for a specific search you did. So in this example we're going to say all, and you can export all of this ads. Okay, copy it. You'll find in the training, okay, in the video course, how to use this into your own Bing ads campaign. Okay, so you can copy the headline, copy the description, and go ahead and use this, upload it, because it's proven to be working for other people, so there is high chance that it will work and convert for you too. Okay, so the next thing you need is, you actually need keywords to run these ads for. Okay, so let's go to the keyword research. Okay, we can select the same campaign, and let's search for ketogenic. And now the software will find all of the related keywords for ketogenic or keto, the main keyword we used here, and find the most probable buying keyword in this niche. Okay, so you can come here and add if you have, for example, if you have few ideas that you want to add. So for example, keto diet fast, I don't know, something like that. And you can keep adding more keywords if you want. You can look through them and delete anything that you don't like. Okay, and after you're happy with the results, you click save, and it will get you to the keyword library, and you can export these keywords. Okay, depending on your targeting, again, you'll find more information about this on the training and the video course. You can choose phrase or exact match. I always recommend using exact match. Okay, hit copy, and now you have the headline for your ad, description for your ad, you have the exact product and landing page that your competitor are using, and you have the highest keyword, the keyword with the highest buyer intent that you can use in your campaign. Okay, so this is how the software works, and hope you like it. If you have any question, just reach out to me. And of course, by the way, you can go back to your ad library and or keyword library anytime and get all of the keyword or your ads again. Also, you can find all of your campaigns right here. Anyway, if you have any question, just let me know. I'll make sure to answer you as fast as possible. And thanks for watching.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on BingDrill, seeing what it can do for you. Really excited about this product. Really quickly, again, if you head into the link in my description, you will come to my bonus page, and there's some more information here regarding the pricing. So BingDrill front end, $23, and I should say you only need the front end if you want all those bonuses. Okay, don't think that you need, you know, all to buy all these one-time offers. Just need the front end to get the bonuses. So with the front end, it's pretty much everything you saw in that video course plus the software. And then there's a one-time offer number one, which is done for you campaigns. So if you want extra help with ads, landing pages, keyword searching, researched products that convert, you'll get ready-made campaigns that you can use that have been tested for an extra $47. One-time offer two, $197 funnel creator, software that will allow you to create high converting funnels with a few clicks without any coding and without even any hosting. So if you're into that, that's definitely for you. $37 for one-time offer number three, which is coaching, getting personalized plan for you to follow to cut down on the guesswork. You'll also get direct access to the creators to help with any obstacles you might face. For coaching, $37, that is mega cheap. I'd be signing up for that no matter what. That's really cheap for coaching. One-time offer number four, white label access, and that allows you to, if you're an agency or if you believe in this software so much that you might want to repackage and resell it on, you have access to do that with the white label access for $97. So when you think about it, a ton of value on offer here when you take into consideration the bonuses that are on offer, the fact you only need the front end for $23 during launch week, the fact that you get a full money back guarantee if it's not up your alley. Really not a lot to lose here. Basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. So check it out. If you have any problems, feel free to message me in the comments, on social media, in my email. I do reply to everybody. I check all that multiple times a day. If not, enjoy BingDrill, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.